How are you?
Good. Officer was sent to the Eco Department. Pulled you over because you don't have a tag on your car. You need a tag on your car. Is there a reason why you don't have a tag on?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, because I am part of the American State Republic. And you know that we do not have to have tags and registration anymore.
Okay.
You know that.
Okay. You have a license?
Yes, I do. But I don't know how much longer it's active because I already have my other card that you can look up all of my records on. It's set up for you guys to look at everything.
Okay. Can I get a 44 first officer license?
And I just want you to know I'm traveling in my private vehicle. I am not operating in commerce.
Okay.
And that's why I do not need a tag or registration. I don't even have to have a driver's license. But I just got that, so I haven't had a chance to address my other identification. But this is the new identification. It covers passport, driver's license, all of that. And it has all the documents in there for you to look at.
Man. Right from the jump, she's hitting the officer with every sovereign citizen line in the book. Private vehicle, not operating in commerce. American State National, I've heard this script so many times. She genuinely believes these magic words exempt her from basic traffic laws. But here's the reality check. Courts have shut this down repeatedly. You still need registration and a license to drive on public roads. The officer's staying calm, professional, but you can feel the frustration building. This is about to go sideways fast.
Okay. So I'm at least going to need to look at your VIN on your car?
No, you don't have to look at anything. This is my private vehicle.
Okay.
And I'm traveling. I am not operating in commerce.
Okay.
I don't want to, I know you're doing your job. I do get it. But a lot of that is going to be changing.
Okay. So you said it's going to be changing? It's
It
not
already changed.
Okay.
It was
As of right now?
As of January the 1st, no one else is going to ever have to have a driver's license, registration, or tag.
January 1st of what?
Next year, 26.
Okay. We're still in 2025.
But it doesn't matter.
It does
I'm not
matter.
a U.S. citizen. I'm an American State National.
Okay.
I am an American citizen.
Just give me a few minutes, but I'm letting you know you're not free to leave at this time, okay?
Yeah, I'm kind of curious. How does one become an American State National in this country?
Okay.
Okay. Just letting you know, make sure you know you're not free to leave. That's it.
Go ahead and step out.
I'm not getting out of my car.
Ma'am, step out of the car.
No. I'm not you. For what reason?
Because Pennsylvania v. Mims says I can order you out of the vehicle.
They're saying that Pennsylvania VMM is ordering me out of the car.
Ma'am, I need you to step out of the car.
I have not committed any crime.
All right, so we got a young lady that obviously has somebody advising her on the phone. That seems to be a big thing within the sovereign citizen community, or Morris National, American National. But yeah, I mean, they have people on the phone that aren't even attorneys advising them on this nonsense.
Step out of the vehicle. Right now, you are committing a crime. You're resisting.
He's saying that me not getting out of my car, he's saying that I'm being resisting. Can you give me just a minute to make
No,
a phone call?
no, you need to step out.
I haven't committed a crime.
You need to step out right now.
I'm
You're resisting.
in Ocoee, and I am at the Public on
Yep.
Claricona, Ocoee.
Hey, sorry, just signal 14. I'm about to bust her window out and pepper blast her. Yeah, it's up against the curb. Like, she's in the parking stall. She's up against the curb in a large median area.
Can you please ask your supervisor to come here?
Get out of the car, ma'am.
Please
This is the last time I ask you. I'm about to make you.
Why are you making me get out of my car?
Get out of the car!
What?
right now!
I haven't done anything!
Get out of the car! or you're gonna get tased.
But why?
I know, I'm gonna see if she gets out.
I didn't do anything.
All right, what's up?
I did not resist arrest.
You did not?
No, sir, I did
So why was
not.
the window
Yeah, sorry, y'all. I mean, they
Because
pulled
he
it out
just
the
walked
car,
up
but
to
they
me,
didn't show the whole
announce who he
thing.
was, didn't tell me what was going on. He just said, "Get out of your car." And I said, "Well, am I?"
So you were dealing with a police officer already, and
talking
then
to her, and then he came up on the other side, and I didn't even. He never announced himself.
okay, he doesn't have to. You were already dealing with an officer. So
I have not
another officer
broke
was
any
there.
laws. I haven't
Okay.
broke any crimes.
Okay, you didn't.
No, sir.
Okay. Well, then we should just release you.
Yes, you should.
Right?
I have not broke any
Okay.
laws.
Here's
I haven't broke any crimes,
here's
sir.
the facts. You thought that you were going to be able to do whatever you wanted to do, and that we weren't going to yank you out of your car. Actually,
No, I didn't think that at
they
all.
got you out of the car pretty nice compared to maybe how I would have handled it. Because I probably would have put an axe pick through that thing, shoveled out the entire glass, and dragged you out that window. If you are told to exit the vehicle, you exit the vehicle. It's
He
that
was scaring
simple.
me. I didn't know who he was or what he was doing.
First of all, it got to the point you weren't listening to the initial officer, who
I
by the
gave
way,
her my ID
who by
when
the
she
way
asked. She
is a
never
very
did-
nice officer.
Yes, and I
Okay.
gave it to her. She never asked for anything else. So
and then you
listen
were
to her
told
body
several
cam.
times to exit the vehicle. Yes or no?
But I asked, did I commit a crime? He didn't tell me what was
You
going
don't,
on.
no, stop. This is where you make the mistake. Were you ordered out of the vehicle? Yes or no? It's a yes or
Yeah, she obviously knows she didn't comply. You know, everything they asked her to do, she would not do it. She kept coming up with excuses. She kept talking about, she was an American national and all that stuff. And now, she's sorry. I'm sure that she's sorry that she didn't comply now, because she definitely wouldn't have got her window broke. But let's see how this is going to turn out. I mean, she's already in custody, so I guess at this point, he's just giving her a lecture or just kind of schooling her on what she did wrong.
no?
I
Were
am
you
taking
ordered out of the
fifth.
vehicle?
You guys have violated my
Okay,
constitutional
then you don't have
rights.
to talk to me. You're the one who asked
Then I
me to
want
talk.
your superior here, please.
No, he's not coming here.
I
I
would
am
like
the
your-
superior. I am the
No,
watch
I
commander.
want your superior,
I am the
please.
watch commander.
I want.
I am the watch commander.
I want. Your
I am the
boss.
Somehow she still thinks that she can give them orders.
watch commander.
Sir.
I am the watch commander. How many times do I have to say it? What
Sir.
other language do you speak so I can help you?
Sir, I am an American State National,
No.
and I gave her what she asked me for. She asked me for my ID. I gave it to her. She did not come back and ask for something else. And then she did. She came back and asked for my VIN, and I said, you know what? I am traveling as a private citizen in my private vehicle, and you guys do not have permission to be in my car.
But we are. Because you're under arrest. and
For
we're
what?
towed.
Please tell me why I'm
That was a great answer.
You know,
Arrest.
the very least resisting
I didn't resist.
unregistered motor vehicle in the state of
I
Florida.
don't have to have registration to
Yes,
tag.
you do.
I'm an American citizen. I am not a
I'm
U.S. citizen.
also an American citizen.
I
We
am
all
an
are
American
American
state
citizens.
national. I am not a U.S. citizen.
Now in the patrol car, she's doubling down. Allergies, water, pets, still insisting no crime. The supervisor lays it out plain. These arguments don't hold up. Sovereign citizen tactics or American state national rebrands waste everyone's time and usually end in cuffs. Officers dealt with it professionally, even accommodating some requests. But the bottom line? Laws apply to everyone on the road. This could have been avoided with basic compliance. Sad way for a routine stop to end.